I am accounting student, of course. Basic rin ako ang math. Ilagay 10 times 10. Valtin.
We are an accounting student. Of course, makalibalance ko bisag 10 minutes ra.
Nakabalance ka?
Wow, journalist.
We're an accounting students. Of course, Dagcomic scores. Scores! Siyempre, 1 over 50.
We are accounting student. Of course, di mi magkina-PI. Sir giti, kuan mo bay? Answer bay?
We are an accounting students. Of course, naami calculator. Hoy, naami calculator?
Required ay na.
We are an accounting students. Of course, dili mi mag-cramming. Nakapas na ka sa project? Ha? Wala pa gani 11:59 PM.
We are an accounting student. Of course, memorize among Article 1156.
Unsa ganitong Article 1156? Bao.
We are an accounting students. Of course, sayo may matug.
Jila unsa ka sa to gabi? Ako mo koy tug.
We're accounting students. Of course, wa ko classmate na buraot.
Jilo, gaya may kain TV.
We are an accounting student. Of course, na-memorize na namuta ng accounts title.
Unsa ra gani ito accounts title?
Ha? FB account?
We're accounting students. Of course, musulod mi na fresh, mole mi na fresh.